Testing viral new makeup launches so you don't have to. Just received these. These are the Supergoop Glow Gloss. I don't think these are exactly new. I looked it up and these launched in May. These are SPF 40 and I'm gonna try Vanilla Soft Serve. Definitely feel hydrating. Formula is a little bit on the thick side. Rhode is officially in Sephora. Definitely needed to show you guys this giant PR box they sent. I adore Rhode's marketing. It's so creative. I'm gonna go in with the glazing milk and we'll use this as our skin prep. It's a really exciting launch. Natasha Denona now has foundation. This is the Hydrating and Blurring Long Wear Radiant Serum Foundation. I'm gonna blend this in with my sponge. It's really light on the skin, like I don't have anything on. I mean, it looks unreal on the skin right now. I'm gonna wear it all day today just to see how it sits. Oh, wow, that formula is really pretty. Anastasia Beverly Hills just launched new micro stroke brow pens. I don't use brow pens often, honestly. Every time I do, I really like the way that my brows turn out. It's just a little tedious, so it takes a little bit longer. That did make my brows look bomb. These are their new contours. Swatch the 3 shades that they sent. I think I'm gonna go with the middle one. These feel really creamy, so I'm just gonna go directly on the face. I'm gonna start blending with my Mario F4 brush. So far, blending out really, really easily. I like the shade for my complexion. This is shade Silhouette. I was honestly thinking that it was gonna be really hard to blend out going directly on my face with it, but it blended out beautifully. Like, can go directly on the face with it. They're new from Too Faced. They are the Cloud Crush. These are the whipped lip and cheek color. I'm going to try shade Peach Blur. Let's see how these blend. Oh, wow, it's definitely blurring. Can you see that? Wait, this is really pretty. I love this formula. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I love that. These are the Glossier Cloud Paint Blush Blushes. These launch on the 9th and they look really cute. To match my makeup, I think I'm gonna go Beam. I'm just gonna tap onto all the other products that I already have down. I'm kind of loving the matte look that I have going on today. It's really pretty. It's not too pigmented and it complemented that liquid blush that I have down already. Super cute. Anastasia Beverly Hills has released new lip liner shades for fall. I love their lip liners, so I'm excited about these new shades. I'm going to try shade Midnight Rouge. These are really creamy and easy to work with. I'm gonna blend it in a little bit with my finger. And we have these lip filters from Morphe. I'm gonna use shade Ballet just right in the center. Morphe has been killing it lately. How gorgeous is this lip combo? Lastly, we have the Love Shack Fancy Lawless collab. Packaging is so cute. This is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Gloss. This is shade Bloom Heirloom. Just don't know if this matches the lip combo that I have going on. It has like a really pretty sparkle to it. I think I would just wear this with more of like a neutral lip liner. All right, you guys, here is the final look. So many fun new launches and I love the way the makeup turned out. Let me know what you guys think and which product was your favorite.